Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use bookmarks in Monday.com, your essential guide for 2025. First up is the creation of the bookmark. Once you're on a board or dashboard you frequently visit, click on the bookmark icon in the upper right corner. The reason we do this is to save time navigating to your most used areas on the platform. Now that we've done that, your bookmarked page will appear in the left pane under the Bookmarks section. This helps us because it keeps everything organized and easily accessible. Next up, you may want to rename your bookmark for easier identification. To do this, hover over the bookmark in the left pane, click on the three-dot menu, then select Rename. This is important because it allows you to customize the bookmark name to something that's meaningful and memorable to you. Lastly, if you want to remove a bookmark, again hover over it in the left pane, click on the three-dot menu, then select Remove. We do this to keep our bookmarks list updated and clutter-free. Let me explain why this matters. Using bookmarks in Monday.com streamlines your workflow, letting you focus on your tasks rather than searching for your boards or dashboards. And that's it. You now know how to use bookmarks in Monday.com. Remember, the key is to keep your work organized and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.